Hi, this is Mallikarjun Ahita. We are doing a project on library management system and my teammates are Bhavana Nare and Pavan Cherirala. Here are the contents of the PPT: abstract, introduction, design, coding, sample output, feature enhancements, and references. The main aim of the project is to implement the library management system. The system maintains the information about the books and the account holders in the library. It mainly tracks the books. Before the advent of computers, libraries usually used a card catalog to index their holdings. Computers came into use to automate the card catalog, thus the term automation system. Automation of the catalog saves the labor involved in resorting the card catalog, keeping it up to date with respect to the collection, etc. The proposed system is to create and maintain a computerized database in subject fields of science, engineering, technology, and management to meet the in-house needs. This system would also deal with tracking items, owned, patterns who are borrowed and used paid. In this project, a member can search for a book to find whether it is present in the library or not. It mainly keeps track of books and the account holders. Here, a use case diagram where explains the librarian functions like renewing the item, making reservation, removing reservation, learning item, and returning item. Here is a sequence diagram which is the other implementation of a librarian for showing his functions like learning the details, finding the availability of book. If the book is available, he updates the details, and etc. Inheritance and encapsulation of the two concepts of object-oriented programming were implemented in this project. Deriving the attributes and the behavior of the existing classes, also known as base classes, to create new classes, also known as the derived classes, is called inheritance. In this program, book is the base class, reference book and issuable book are the derived classes. Reference book and issuable book inherits the behavior of the book. The other one is the encapsulation. Encapsulation is restricting the data or hiding the data. That means the access is restricted to members of the class. In this program, certain account holders information like ID and password is restricted. Here is a sample output. It shows a menu with different choices like creating a new account, updating the book, searching for a book, taking a book, and returning a book. The first option, creating a new account, where the account's details are stored. The second one is updating the book, which updates the books in the library. Third option is the search for a book. It says whether the book is available in the library or not. Fourth option is taking a book by account holder, which updates the information of the account holder, and by the way, it also updates the number of copies available in the library of that particular book. And coming to the fifth option, it is returning a book. It is also similar to like the fourth option, which updates the account holders information and also increases the number of book copies information. And the sixth option is exiting from the account. Here is one more sample about like entering the details of the for updating a book, like entering the book number, book title, book author, total number of copies available in the book, and the current number of copies which will be presently available in the book. And future enhancements. When coming to the future enhancements, the present system is like not online, it's just a computer based. To making it the system online and implementing using a database which is effectively helpful in developing the library management system. And the references are taken from C++ How to Program by PJ Deitel and HM Deitel, and the complete reference by Herbert Shale. And we have taken some sample examples from C++.com. Thank you.